Installing a system board.
Note: this video shows only the physical part replacements. Replacing a system board requires further actions to be taken in the Think System Management tools. Refer to the System Board Replacement section in the ThinkEdge SE360 V2 user guide for more information. Place the left end of the system board into the chassis and then lower the right end into the chassis. Use a Phillips head or flathead screwdriver to fasten the 7 standoffs and 2 screws that secure the system board. If necessary, connect the cables to the front operator panel. Connect the I/O board power cable and signal cable to the system board. The I/O board power cable and signal cable should be routed to the bottom side of the node to connect to the I/O module board. Peel away the xClarity controller network access label on the processor heatsink and attach it to the network access tag on the front of the server. Install any components that have been removed from the failing system board and connect all required cables. Reinstall the following components in the order they are listed below. All the memory modules. Top intrusion switch with cable. Power input board module. Power module board. The SMA fillers. If applicable, remove the micro SD card from the old system board to install it onto the new system board. Processor air baffle. Riser assembly. PMB air baffle. Top cover.